So I've been teaching entrepreneurship since the year 2006. So over the years, I've covered topics like Web 2.0, cryptocurrency, and Web 3.0. Basically, my job is to identify the most profitable industry and teach my students to ride the wave.
One of the things we want to do is build a community to actually at least give each other heads up on how good your product is, and also to provide reviews. Then you have to create your own website and everything. Right, so we actually go through with you every single step of the way.
We start with a 2-day seminar to update everybody on what's the latest in that topic, and then through the 2 years we provide mentorship to help the students to navigate through the whole business process.
I really like the whole structure of the courses, and if I had this course like right from the beginning, I wouldn't have spent so many years finding my way. Yeah, so I think this is really, in terms of structure, it's very good.
I've come up with copious amount of business plans in the past, and I think that's been my Achilles, is just going into too much detail. So now I'm just winging it, and I've probably got more done in the last week than I have in a long time.
Launching a business can be really challenging. And so one of the things that we do is we specifically engineer assignments that break down that complex thought process into more manageable pieces. It allows for students to build skill sets and learn about the process of what it takes to launch a business.
For this one, it's like I'm given a video to watch and then some time to learn and to implement, and it's a day-by-day course, so I feel that I'm actually guided step by step. And for somebody who doesn't have a general structure of how to build a business, I think it's really helpful to have a step-by-step tutorial. Yeah. For good things to happen, you have to put in the work and the necessary preparation, so I'm quite determined to actually make this work out for myself.
Entrepreneurship is not for everyone, but for those who are willing to put in the time and the effort, it will yield financial freedom and deep satisfaction. Right? So I'm here to ensure that those who are enthusiastic and willing to give it a shot have the best shot.